Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to clear junk file, residual file in your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for Phone Master. So I'm going to come to the top right here, click on here and type in Phone Master. So you have Phone Master right here. Go ahead and click on that. So here you go. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on Booster right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on Optimize. Go ahead and click on Optimize right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and scroll down and click on Junk File. Click on Clean Now right here. Just like so, we have about 281 megabyte junk file to be cleaned off. Junk cache, junk residual, cleanup package, and system junk. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on Clean right here. Successfully cleared. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.